Hello and welcome to Bell CB today. We're looking at a DX-94HP. This is a tune-up report for Jason in Georgia. We'll be using Jason's RK56 today. On this watt meter, Jason, we're looking at 100 watts across the top. We're going to be coming in at about 25. I like to give it plenty of room to swing.
25.
And on this watt meter, we're looking at 100 watt slug. So we'll be reading our power across the bottom here. That's 80, that's 100.
It's going to go a little past 100, but audio, check, 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 not much. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 110. Audio, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check.
And upper side band.
Audio, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bigger, bigger, bigger. Audio, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, audio.
Alright. Okay.
How about it, 19? Can I get a radio check, please? I appreciate that long distance radio check from Colorado. Hey Colorado, you got down to South Florida, Roger?
We had 3 people answering this on hour. Alright,